Alrighty, Mike, just finished up. We finished the lesson. Go ahead and talk to me about what we just worked on, and just let me hear everything that we discussed so far.
Yeah, absolutely. So I think the first thing is the grip. My right arm was just a little bit over the club too much, and that was kind of a quick fix. And honestly, I took to it better than I thought I would. It wasn't that hard of a fix, and we immediately saw the ball go straighter after that. So that was a big win. And then I think kind of most importantly was just being more grounded on my turn. I'm using my legs but not in the right way, so we kind of made a more efficient turn. I felt like my lower body was more engaged and just felt stronger. So that was something that was really good, really easy to work on, but it's definitely going to take some time. You think a turn would be natural and be able to pick up, but it's definitely going to take some time. And then the plane, the club, which I think was the hardest part for me, just to keep it on plane. But making a good turn makes it easier, and it all meshes together. Outside of that, we got on the flight scope here, and it was cool to see the numbers, and kind of surprised to see that my less effort towards the end was going further and better, and my angle of attack shallowed out more, which was very cool to see. So yeah.
It's kind of nuts, right? When you think about angle of attack, a lot of the times you think with a shallower takeaway and a more rounded takeaway where the club's rolling inside, you would think a lot of the times angle of attack would be shallower, right? It would be a lower number, but because your path was in or out to in, we actually were getting steeper on the downswing, which was making those numbers be in the 9, 10, 11, 12s. By the time we finished with a steeper takeaway and a shallower downswing, we actually got to like 3s, 4s, which is I think a lot better, which is really cool to see. I think the drills that we discussed earlier on in those other videos with having the club up here and working on rotation, the center pivot's going to be great. You can take this drill with you. You have alignment sticks. You can do this on the driving range where you need to. You can stick it into the ground with your golf mats. Take a driving range basket, put that in, set that at a 45-degree angle, and essentially the same way. And from there, yeah, it was cool seeing the numbers change so significantly, especially carry distance. It's nice to see you get back to some solid numbers. And I know you mentioned earlier on you were hitting 7-8 irons, 160, 170. We were creeping back down into the low 130s and 40s. Now we're back up, which is really cool. So just keep grinding on it. And what we'll do next lesson is discuss this a little bit, see how the progress has been so far, and work on the next later. So thanks so much for lesson 1.
Yeah, man, thanks for your time and your effort. I'm excited to get to work.